Hello, I'm Axel, and I'm a solo traveler, and I am traveling the Philippines! Finally, I'm in the Philippines. I've been looking forward to this trip forever. I'm so excited. My first stop was Cebu City, a city with quite a lot of traffic. The first thing I did, I took a jeepney to Avala Center. And my first stop was at the very popular fast food chain. After some more sightseeing, I was hungry again, and so I decided to have traditional food from Cebu, a lechon. And also my first mango shade. That will be not the last one. The next day I went to the bus station and ended up in Moaboal. I went to bed in my little hotel room quite early, because the following day a great adventure was waiting for me. And this little friend got so scared of me that it lost its tail. I'm sorry. Moaboal is very well known for its diving. So, of course, I had to go diving, and I was very excited, not only because I haven't done it for a couple of years, but because the sardines supposed to be amazing. The first time I looked up, I thought like, well, that's a boat, but no, these clouds you see up there are the sardines. This experience was totally awesome. We continued our dive along the wall. When I arrived at my hotel, I thought, I have to see those sardines again. Actually, it is very easy because they are just off the coast. take your snorkeling gear and try to catch them. I tried, but I never was able to do it. But they're not only sardines. This fish, for example, was trying to eat my GoPro. And they're turtles as well. I was able to watch this amazing creature for myself for quite a long time, but then, of course, all the others came and wanted to see the turtle as well. But the turtle seemed very relaxed and enjoyed its dinner. So what else can you do in Moalboal? Well, very close to that city are the Cabazam waterfalls. They're amazing and great. I was there, but I'm sorry, my GoPro died, so I can't show you anything. But it was one of the best parts of my trip. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Axel and see you in the next one.